50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by NimaRadanArt.
Day 28. Patience with others. Dear God, grant me patience and understanding when dealing with others. Help me to see past their flaws and to treat them with kindness. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Reduce your use of paper by opting for digital alternatives and recycling paper products.
For unity for a happier world.
By promoting unity, we can foster a sense of belonging and community for all.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find meaning in the midst of chaos, to seek inner peace, and to radiate that to others.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima. Hello, welcome to my channel. Please continue to listen with your heart. We are not alone in this life. We are interconnected beings who share this planet with countless other beings. Our journey is not simply about personal achievement or the accumulation of material wealth. It's about making a positive impact on the world and the lives of others. Furthermore, our purpose in life is beyond human. We have an obligation to care for and protect all beings who share this planet with us. It includes animals, plants, and the delicate ecosystems that sustain life. By being mindful of our actions and treating all living things with respect and kindness, we contribute to the overall well-being of the earth and its inhabitants. Ultimately, the purpose of life is a deeply personal and individual journey. It is about finding meaning, fulfillment, and connection in our own unique way. However, a common thread that runs through this journey is the understanding that we are here to help each other, leave behind a positive legacy, and support the earth and its creatures. By embracing this purpose, we can lead a life of compassion, empathy, and service, making a positive impact on the world and leaving behind a better place for future generations. Remember, the choice to make a positive impact is ours to make, and the time for action is now. In a world often plagued by strife and inequality, it is crucial for us to recognize the immense potential we possess as individuals and as a collective. By embracing a mindset focused on making the world more beautiful, helping one another, and fostering happiness and equality, we can pave the way for a future that is truly worth living. Let us delve into the transformative power of these principles and understand how they can shape a brighter tomorrow. Best regards, Nima.